Grafting avocado trees is a great way to propagate specific varieties like Hass, Fuerte, or Bacon, while ensuring good fruit quality and earlier production. In today's video, we're diving into the step-by-step process of grafting avocado trees. Whether you're a home gardener or an aspiring orchardist, grafting is the key to growing healthy, productive avocado trees that bear delicious fruit faster. Why graft avocados? Faster fruiting, 2 to 4 years versus 8 to 10 from seed. True to type fruit, seeds don't produce clones of the parent. Disease resistance, use hardy rootstocks. Dwarfing or growth control for easier maintenance. When to graft? Best time, spring to early summer, when both scion and rootstock are actively growing. Temperatures around 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius are ideal. We'll guide you through everything, from choosing the right rootstock and scion to making the perfect cuts and caring for your grafted plant. So grab your tools and let's get started on your journey to growing your very own grafted avocado tree.
Daylight fades to dusk, and my heart feels empty as the last rays paint the sky in orange hues. I watch the sun sink below the horizon, missing the warmth of you. Every sunset feels colder now without your gentle touch. Time slows down as evening comes, and I miss you so much. They can't a place below. Another day ends in sun. Yes, I still can miss wind and you. As I stand